Wilson family. So I want to do a quick tutorial with the end of the marking period coming up for you to find out if you've done all of your work on Google Classroom. It can get a little tricky when you have more than one class that you're doing work in for Google Classroom. So I realize you might be using your personal account for some teachers and your school account for other teachers. When you're checking that, make sure you're going over here and you're changing your account to make sure you see all your classes. But other than that, the directions for the rest of the video would be the same. So when you're in the account, you're probably going to have more than one class, like I do. Instead of clicking on just the class, click on these upper lines in the upper left-hand corner, and it gives you what's called to do. So this is your to-do list. So basically, things that you need to do to make sure you pass marking period 3. So let's click on them and see how much work Mrs. Saya has to do. So, as you'll see, there's a different color. Okay, if we go back to Google Classroom, wrong one. If we go back to Google Classroom, you'll see that they're different colors. Hopefully, and it's inevitable that it may not be the case, but hopefully your classes will be different colors. So this class is purple, this class is gray. If I had another class, it might be green or orange. Hopefully they're different colors. Because when you click on to do, each class, this line right here, would be a different color in each class. So this would be the Franklin Delano Roosevelt class, and all the purple is the US 2 class. So all of these assignments are missing. Okay, and you'll see it was due February 6th, due March 24th, due March 31st. There's a lot of missing work here. If you click on done, these are all the things that you've completed. Okay, once they're graded, this is actually me on a student side of the account, so none of them are graded. But if they were graded, instead of saying turned in, it would say your actual grade for that assignment once the teacher has graded it. But let's focus on the to-do. Okay, so you click on this after you watch this video and you say, oh snap, I missed all this work. It's real easy to just go in and get it done. You just click on the assignment right from the to-do list, and it takes you right to the assignment. Okay, so you follow the teacher's directions, you click on any links that they had you interacting with, and then you do the work. Now there's a couple different ways, and I have a video on how to do this one. There's a couple different ways that you can do it. This one you have to add a Google Doc or create a Google Doc, mark it as done, and then turn it in. Okay, let's go back to the to-do list. I guess there's a couple different ways that you might have to answer questions. So we'll click on this one. So now this one, all you have to do is type in your answer. And then you click turn it in. So depending on how your teacher has the assignment set up, it's going to depend on how you turn it in. But by going to that to do button, that is going to give you all of your assignments. And I think it's safe to say that you shouldn't have anything to do on that list in order to pass marking period 3. So make sure you're getting your work done. I'll see you later.